Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Strengthen your muscles, improve your strength. Today we will discuss on this topic. In this time of coronavirus, it is very much required to boost your inner strength, maintain body fitness and keep your muscles strong, as it will not only help you to prevent diseases but also to protect you from minor infections and eroding your body strength. Muscles do not only consist of biceps on hand, but there are also many muscles in many body parts like legs, face, shoulder, back, head, and neck. There are over 600 muscles in our body which serves many functions like pumping blood to different parts of the body and other things. Improving your self-awareness is very much important. Improve your self-awareness on how to strengthen your muscles. First thing, remove mental roadblocks, throw away limiting beliefs, abstain from dieting and emotional eating. Do regular exercise and know what food is good for you. Have good food to be fit. Make your food plan and keep it in a cycle. Practice healthy eating habits. Have breakfast with banana, lunch with fish, almond in snacks, and low carb diet in dinner. Fuel your body with right fats, for example, fish with omega-3 fatty acids. See my video on low carb diet in my YouTube channel and improve your awareness on the subject. Read my books on Amazon Kindle. Know how to maintain muscles as you age up and how to overcome aging effects. Know the enemies of building muscles and how muscle spasticity or stiffness affect you and how it can be avoided. What should you have ready at hand? How a good shopping list can be framed based on your requirement, based on your awareness. What are the foods that strengthen muscles, which normally need protein to grow? You can have lot of protein from various easily available low-cost sources through seasonal vegetables and fruits. Other sources like chicken, turkey, egg, seafood, fish can also be tried. Grains and dry fruits, other supplements like protein-rich Horlicks, milkshakes also offer critical amino acids for easy cure and growth. Some exercises can be taken up to strengthen muscles, for example, pull-ups, push-ups, sit-ups. Make yourself your ideal teacher and share your experiences with others. Keeping muscles strong is not only required for bodybuilders and heavyweight champions, but it is a general requirement. Always try to push the limits, raise your bar. You must make it your habit to some exercise daily and have good nutrition. You may not be able to expose yourself well always, but you try to have enough strength to live a healthy life, being energetic and enthusiastic. Try at least a 10-minute workout daily, preferably early morning. Your care for muscles building should work with your total health development plan. You may be your own enemy. Do not go for dieting or moderating any specific food unless it is absolutely essential with doctor's prescription. Eat good food, enough food, with right nutritional values, and also take up workouts. Increase your protein intake. Protein synthesis helps to repair wear and tear of muscles due to hard works. Learn from animals how muscles can help you move fast. Choose useful carbs. Improve your awareness on macronutrients which support muscle growth and flexibility, for example proteins, good fat sources, plant-based sources which provide HDL, high density lipoprotein. Prepare food menu daily, weekly, monthly with seasonal food. Preferences befitting with climatic changes. Have good food and enjoy. Plan hard to keep the specific food in the fridge so that you can easily see it and it should attract you and it remain easily accessible. You should attract your attention. It should attract your attention first to help you to eat right. Even if you forget, if it attracts your attention, immediately you will try to have it and grab it. Learn cooking. Concentrate on cooking with type of oil which is you feel that right for your body and with right amount of salt and spices. Eating time is also important. Maintain healthy eating habits, not only for self but also for the whole family, as you alone cannot cook for yourself separately. Eat better to lead a better life. Everyone wants to burn fat and build muscles. There is a brilliance and simplicity and being truthful. Pick up right protein, preferably plant-based and biologically produced. Know what is low and high glycemic index in foods and those match with exercise and high aerobic activities. More energy you get from food, more workout will help you to be leaner. Have a lean and thin body. Be flexible enough. Be able to move. Have lean protein, various colorful veggies and fruits, tasty recipes with muscle building chilies with less salt and sugar. Remain fit. Try to remain always fit. Maintain simple food menu with log food index and write it that what you are taking in which day. Even if you write for 7 days, you will get a glimpse of what you are taking. Check months intakes and your BMI swings. Take enough vitamins, minerals, fibers, antioxidants. Drink at least 8 bottles of water each day based on your workouts. Eat protein-rich oats, yogurt, less fat milk. Avoid as far as practicable canned tomato sauce, junk fried food like potato chips. Keep your digestive system right. Proper digestion will help you to keep muscles strong. You must try always to keep your muscles strong. Have a good shape, have a good body. People should praise you. Muscular system covers shapes and holds the skeletal system in shape. Maintain your muscles for better improvement of organs. Maintenance of posture. Flexibility with cutting edge competitive advantage. Have a good health. Thank you.